In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new dashboard in Koyfin. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized workspace ready to monitor the markets and the data that matters most to you. First, open Koyfin and head to today's markets. This is the default landing page and a great starting point because it ensures the left-hand navigation is visible and up to date. If your screen layout looks different, don't worry. Just make sure you're on the home area so you can see the main menu on the left side. In the left navigation, look for the Dashboard section. It may be listed as Dashboards or simply show a dashboard icon depending on your screen width. This is your hub for creating and organizing multiple workspaces. Take a second to expand it if it's collapsed so you can see all options clearly. Next, click the plus icon associated with dashboards. This is the Create button that starts a brand new dashboard, separate from any templates or existing layouts. Clicking the plus keeps things clean and ensures you're not overwriting another view. You'll be prompted to enter a dashboard name. Choose something descriptive and memorable like Macro Overview, Equity Watch List, or Daily Open. Clear names make it easier to switch between dashboards later without guessing what each one contains. You can always rename it in the future, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. Now select Blank Dashboard. Starting from a blank canvas gives you full control over layout and components without preset widgets crowding the view. It's ideal if you know exactly what you want to track and prefer to build it piece by piece. Your empty dashboard opens and you'll see an option to add a component. Click Add Component to bring up the component library. This library includes charts, tables, and other widgets you can mix and match to build your ideal monitoring setup. From the available options, select a sample component. A sample is a quick way to drop in a pre-configured widget so you can see structure and placement right away. It's great for getting started fast, and you can adjust settings later to suit your symbols, watch lists, or timeframes. Finally, click. Add component to place it onto your dashboard. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see it appear on the canvas, ready for use. From here, you can repeat the add process to include more components, organize your view, and tailor the dashboard to your workflow. That's it. Your new Koyfin dashboard is created and ready to build on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined market view.